up, everybody? My name's Kenny. Today we got a EVGA 750 watt fly like a G6 power supply. I have one other EVGA one, but it's a dirt ass cheap one that I have out in my garage build. And my buddy told me that this thing is on sale and it's actually made with high quality components. Supposedly it's the same stuff that Seasonic puts in their stuff, and we all know Seasonic makes a high quality thing. This is not open, back side of the box. I don't think you care. I don't know if unboxings are that entertaining for people, but this is a fully modular power supply. That's a thick owner's manual for a power supply. It seems kind of ridiculous, but whatever. Oh, cool. Sweet little cable management Velcros. Oh, EVGA like jumper detection thing for your motherboard. That's nice. Power cord, very nice. Oh, like an envelope baggie for your extra power stuff. We get, I know people screamed at me about this a long time, so we'll do it differently. This is a, I don't remember what this cord is. You get that. You get 3 SATA, 3 SATA 6, 3 SATA 7, 4 Molex. Here's C. So we got EVGA, VGA, 2 8-pins that are spliced into 6ers. EVGA, VGA. This is an 8-pin with a 6 and a 2. Cool. This is your CPU. 8-pin. Splits 4 ways in case you gotta. I don't think anyone's really running a 4-pin CPU these days. At least not when you're buying a 750 watt, right? That's a lot of oomph. EVGA, VGA, so we get plenty of these ones, of the 8 pins. VGA, these are, so all their 8 pins are 6 or 8, so that's cool and kind of lame, but maybe we'll have to do some braided cables or something like that with these ones. I'm not sure. We do get a braided motherboard one. This one is not RGB. Oh, this thing is really small. Like, this is a lot smaller than I thought for 750 watts. I think my HX, my Corsair stuff is way bigger. Way bigger. Nice little pouch though. The thing looks really nice. That almost seems like it's aluminum. It looks like aluminum by the machining. That's really pretty. Too bad it's facing down. You'll never get to F and see it, but whatever. But there you go. We get the backside. CPU, VGA, SATA, and peripheral. So that's your Molex. Nice. Very nice. This is a very, very good looking. Oh my gosh. Eco on off. I'm not sure what the Eco does on here, but I'm sure it's probably like a silence mode, like the Corsair RM series. Maybe it's like silences the fan or something. I'm not sure. Or maybe it saves a little energy. Maybe I'll just have to turn that on since it's my server build and it's not going to be doing any heavy gaming or anything. Or computing, for that matter, really, just other than just server things. Cool. That's it, man. That's all you get. Nothing crazy at all. But this is, I can't wait to use it. Wait to try it out. It seems really small, so you could probably use this in a lot of different form factors. Actually, it seems like it's gonna be a lot of 80 plus gold. Did I mention that? A lot of power in a really small package. Pretty excited about that, you guys. Can't wait to try it out. Please check out other more competent, more professional reviews, because we like to have a beer while we do unboxings on this channel and review beers for you. So we're not as competent as Linus, Jays, and those guys. You know them. They all the cool scientists and hardware to test this stuff. So leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Otherwise, comment, subscribe, whatever. If you don't want to, I don't care. It don't matter. You guys can do whatever you want. You're free to do and enjoy yourselves. But we're going to plug this thing in and try her out. Stay tuned for that one.